Hello, my fellow investor. This is Andres, and welcome to my channel. So, guys, I just completed my 34th week of investing on my M1 Finance. So, as you guys can see, I'm at $9,100.31. So, $900 more to go, and I'm gonna reach 10K, which is my goal to hit by the end of this year. But it's only August. I got 4 more months to go, and it looks like I'm gonna hit 10K 3 months earlier. So, I'm happy to see how much it will get within the end of 2020. So, for you guys who are new to my channel, welcome to my dividend investing portfolio called the Moneymaker. My Moneymaker consists of 90% stocks, 5% bonds, and 5% real estate. Before I go through my slices, I'm just gonna let you guys know that I invested $150 this week and I sold 2 of my stocks. So yes, I did more minimizing. Alright, let's see how I did this week. Let's go to my stocks first. Let's change this to week. So as usual, we're gonna save the no dividend for last. So we'll go to my technology first. Technology used to be 28% of my stock slice. Now I increased it to 30%. All right, let's go to my technology. So for this week, Nvidia, I gained $28.01, which is up 3.27%. Nvidia will probably be higher next week because their earnings will be announced. Microsoft, I lost $11.41, which is down 1.48%. Skyworks, I gained $8.28, which is up 1.56%. So as you guys can see, my stocks and my tech did pretty well this week. Nvidia was killing it. All right, so my technology, I gained $24.88 this week, which is 1.15% return. My earned dividends is $1.82. So this is a pretty good gain for this week. All right, now let's go to my consumer, which is 12% of my stocks slice. McDonald's, I gained $4.34, which is up 1.19%. PepsiCo, I gained $2.06, which is up 0.60%. Procter & Gamble, I gained $3.66, which is up 1.16%. All my stocks from my consumer gained this week. They didn't gain that much, but a win is a win. So consumer, I gained a total of $10.06, which is 0.98% return. I did not earn any dividends. Let's go to my industrial, which is 10% of my stocks slice. This used to be 12% last week. So I changed this to 10% because I sold 3M. Yes, I know 3M is one of the biggest dividend paying stocks, but I had to cut it off because it hasn't been really growing. So it was about that time. All right, my Honeywell this week, I gained $12.81, which is up 2.12%. Waste management, I lost $3.41, which is down 0.81%. So as you guys can see, it should be $9 gain this week, but I'm not sure why it says $22.52 here. It could have been my gain from 3M, but I'm not sure. Anyways, my industrial, I gained $22.52, which is 2.23% return. My earned dividends is $3.46. Wow, this is pretty amazing. This is one of the biggest dividends I've gotten since I started my M1 finance investing. Let's go to my finance, which is 8% of my stocks slice. So for my finance, I only got Visa. I gained $2.09, which is up 0.30%. My earned dividends is $1.08. This is awesome. I earned more dividends than my market gain. Now let's go to my communication, which is 5% of my stocks slice. So same as my finance, my communication only consists of one stock, which is Verizon. For this week, I gained $2.49, which is 0.44% return. I did not earn any dividends. Now let's go to my healthcare, which is 5% of my stocks slice. Alright, so for my healthcare, I only got Johnson & Johnson. I lost 85 cents this week, which is down 0.24%. I did not earn any dividends. For my healthcare, I'm actually thinking of selling my Johnson & Johnson, but we'll see. It hasn't been really performing that well. I know Johnson & Johnson is good when it comes to giving dividends, but since I don't have that much money invested, it's not really worth it to have this many dividend-paying stocks. Alright, now we'll go to my no dividend, which is 30% of my stocks slice. For this week, Tesla, I gained a whopping $165.15, which is 13.81% return. So Tesla, it increased a lot. I gained a lot this week from Tesla because they just announced their 5-to-1 split. So that's why it's been rallying up and people can actually afford to get a share of Tesla soon. I believe they're doing the split by the end of this month. So if you guys are thinking of investing in Tesla and you guys don't have enough money to buy a share next month or by the end of this month, you'll be able to buy one. All right, for my Square, I lost $21.47, which is 3.57%. Roku, I lost $26.72, which is now 6.04%. So as you guys can see, Tesla was the only winner from my no dividend stocks this week. For my no dividend, I gained a $16.96, which is 5.22% return. Like I said, it's only 116 because Square and Roku lost this week. So that's it for my stocks. As you guys can see, the only loser is my healthcare, which is down 0.24%. So this is not even that bad compared to my wins this week. So alright, for my stock this week, I gained $178.15, which is 2.21% return. My earned dividends is $6.36. Well, this is awesome. I like seeing that $6.36 on my earned dividends. Now let's go to my real estate, which is 5% of my pie. So for my real estate, I sold American Tower. I sold American Tower because I didn't think it was worth it. Yes, I know I may go up because of the 5G, but like I said, I don't have that much money in this portfolio, so I just want to invest in certain stocks. For my digital realty trust, I lost $10.15, which is down 2.29%. So for my real estate this week, it says I lost $16.83. That's because I lost some money from American Tower before I sold it. So my return for this week is I'm down 3.73%. Let's go to my last 5% of my pie, which is bond. For my bond, my Vanguard Total Bond Market, I lost $5.03, which is 1.13% return. I did not earn any dividends. So as you guys can see, this is how my moneymaker did this week. Yes, I lost from bonds and real estate, but my stocks killed it this week because of Tesla. I gained $178.15, which is 2.21%. That is a really good return for this week, especially for a small portfolio like mine. So for this week, my moneymaker, I gained $156.29, which is 1.75% return. I did not earn any dividends. So as you guys can see, guys, I'm at $9,100 now, $900 more dollars to go. So I'm so happy that I'm almost hitting my goal. So like I always tell you guys every week, keep investing no matter how much money it is, no matter how small your money, it will grow in the future and it will compound. So keep investing that money and keep growing your wealth. I'll update you guys again. I'll see you guys next week. My wealthy people, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, leave some comments to show some love. Again, this is Andres telling you to stay true to your path to wealth. Until next time, see you.